Let's say that you have a map and now you want to make this map clickable. For instance, if I press here on Amora, a picture of this city should be opened. Or if I press here on Jaramek, a picture of that city should be opened. What you need to do is use ImageMap, which is a built-in functionality in HTML. You need this program called GIMP. Just Google GIMP, it's a free program and it's great. When you have opened GIMP, you drag your map into GIMP, go to Filters, Web and ImageMap. Now this is your map. Press the rectangle and select the area that you want to make clickable. And here you will add the name of the file that it will link to. And I have a map here. This is a file that's in the public domain, so I am allowed to use it. I copy the name of this one and insert it here. And I suggest you check this box relative link, because then the link will be relative to the original file. You will see later. I will do the same for the other city, Jaramek. Now I have two links here. I'm already done. I press File, Save. Up here I write links.txt and I save this to my desktop. And here's the file. I will move this one into the same folder as the others and create a copy of it. I will name this copy index.html. Let's have a look inside. Right click and edit. Here is a link to the map itself. And here are links to the clickable rectangles inside the map. I have to change one thing on top. Where it says SRC, that is short for source, I will add the name of the map. And these links are already done. But there is one more thing that we have to change. I have to type like this at the start, HTML and body, and at the end of the file I have to add those tags again in reverse order with a slash in front. Now the first tag says that this is an HTML file, and the second tag says that this is the main contents of that HTML file. There are other tags too, but that's not part of this tutorial. I save, and now if I open this file, I get the map. Now I can click everywhere, but if I click on Amora, it immediately links to a picture of that city. And if I click Jaramek, it immediately links to that city. But this is a little disturbing because they are opening in the same tab as the map itself. To fix this, you need to edit this HTML file. At the end of the file, add this target equals underline blank. You need to add this to the end of each of the links you created. If you have many links, you can use Ctrl H and replace. I save again. Now when I open this page, it looks the same, but when I click Amora, it opens in a different tab. So I have created a web page with a map that I can click on. And there is no limit to how many links you can create. However, you should never place two squares on top of each other like this. If you do, it might become problematic for the user to click. And since this is an HTML page, it is a web page, which means that you can publish this page to the internet. You can host it yourself by using Apache like I do here, and then you can share it with all your friends, and they don't need to have any of your files on their computers. On a final note, it is possible to edit this. I have closed GIMP now, and I reopen GIMP. Once again, I drag my map in there, and go to Filters, Web, ImageMap. As you can see, the squares are gone now. This is why we have this txt file saved. And this is why I copied that file when I created the index file. Because now we can use this links file, because it has the right format for GIMP still, and import it here. Go to File, Open, and browse to that file. And once again we have loaded these squares. In this manner, you can append more links later.